Muri Zimbabwe, this guy really knows how to trend. Wicknell vatotorera Holy 10 na Passion Java chimoti chekutrenda. This time it's about that drama reku Victoria Falls Airport. If you remember very well, there is that lady wekutrenda ainga akapfeka a pink top nema blue jeans uyo akanyimwa mari pa-airport when Wicknell was dishing out $100 notes to every airport staff. Yes, that lady. Anzi, from victim to victory. Wow. So Wicknell has apologized and arkupa this woman $5,000 as compensation. Yes, sorry. Wow. Midzimo yavamwe hairari zvechokwadi. So Wicknell was at Victoria Falls Airport vachidzoka kuHarare on his private jet. Jet vanevevu. He was with his beautiful partner Lulu. Ndokunzwira tsitsi staff yepa airport iyo yakanga iri pa duty on Christmas. Vasingawa no time nevana vavo nemhuri dzavo kudzimba. So out of generosity, Wicknell akabva aburitsa $100 notes vatanga kupa staff yese yange yakapfeka green reflective vests ayo anopfekwa nevanhu vepa airport. But drama began when some people who were not staff joined the queue. Vachifunga kuti chi vachapiwa mari. So one of those people was this woman in a pink top nema blue jeans. Unfortunately for her, Wicknell stopped giving out mari and she was left out. So frustrated, pleading, and yes, humiliated. Social media yakabva exploder and this woman became the face of memes and online jokes. She trended. So let's be real, guys. If you saw someone achipa mari like that, wouldn't you also try your luck? Tese tiri vanhu and the mari is not easy to come by, especially nemaomero akaita situation yemuno muZimbabwe. Zvinorwadza kuti instead yekugamuchirwa neruremekedzo, this woman akazoshambadzwa painternet yese as if kukumbira mari is a crime. So Wicknell, our very own millionaire, being the boss he is, took the high road and released a powerful public apology. So in his statement, he said, "My attention has been drawn to the unfortunate criticism directed at the woman in the video that is circulating on social media. I personally do not know this woman, but I wish to extend my heartfelt apology for the public embarrassment she has endured. I would have done exactly the same thing if I saw a millionaire giving out money in that context. She simply decided to seize the opportunity out of hope and necessity." So Wicknell vava announced kuti vari kupa this woman $5,000 cash as an apology. Yes, ka 5,000 kasina kana basa. Muri Zimbabwe, muneono say, do you think this was a genuine apology kana kuti it's just damage control? Comment below, like, share, and of course, subscribe to Pano Nzipano for all the juicy gossip and trending stories. Until next time, don't forget, sometimes humiliation can lead to elevation. Pano takutoisa #Team Pink Top. Bye for now.